authority from the waist up. A double-breasted blazer, a starched white shirt with the collar button open. Waist down availability. Simple black jeans, they're less formal than dress pants, and I like them. Bright red leather shoes, a little out of fashion, showing that I don't take myself too seriously.
What I did and what you can do to make a good impression.
First, as I already mentioned, I was wearing a calculated combination of authority and availability. Before approaching anyone, adjust your attitude. I was curious and somewhat good-natured. As I faced each situation, I would remember a time when I felt curious and humorous, and I would apply that to my mood. If you are curious to know more about this subject, continue following the channel. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Coming back, in every situation, I repeated to myself, great, 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 and it made me smile. You can say it out loud or just repeat this in your head. The important thing is to embrace the feeling. The word itself is optimistic and encouraging. The minute I met people, I noticed the color of their eyes. I turned my body to position my heart towards the person's. This movement demonstrates flexible body language and an open heart. I let people see that I had nothing threatening in my hands. You don't want to initiate the fight or flight mechanism. I carried a pen that looked worth a lot in my hand, like a device. It's the next best thing to a lab coat, and the pen's expensive appearance gives me an air of authority. The fact that it was closed meant that I probably wouldn't write anything at that time. I would ask subtle questions as soon as I approached people. In every case I said, "Excuse me, can I ask you a question?" And then I asked my real question. When you meet someone for the first time, how do you know if you can trust them? It was easy to show interest in the answer, because I actually wanted to know. Prepare your question before you know what you want. Finally, I would immediately begin to synchronize my body language and tone of voice with the person's characteristics. When I spoke to more than one person, I turned to face each of them one at a time and adjusted my attitude overall to match theirs. What you communicate in the first few moments of a meeting establishes that you are a trustworthy, honest, vibrant, and wholesome individual, or one who makes people turn away. Share these tips with someone and follow to learn how to find your own image.